Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Finally hitting the road, headed to Southern Cal. So if we had something set up for me to help you in Southern Cal, call or text me. This charging system is driving me nuts. I haven't done anything to it, like replace that cable or nothing, but I've never had one that one day is charging 3,839. It's at 3.7. Look at that thing bouncing around. And then be all the way down to 12.4 another day. It's really crazy. Second ago, it was holding steady at 13.9. It's just all over the place. I do have an alternator in the back of the car, so I may just switch out the alternator. But I'm going to try the battery cable first. I got that in the back of the car as well. We are here, back at this V70 T5M. Last time we were here, we looked at this spark plug well. Man, that thing has gotten worse fast. So we're going to pull this cam cover off, change those spark plug wells so that this car won't be leaking oil. It was leaking oil all the way down the back side of the engine. So we're going to get this done. There we go, folks. We got the cam cover off. The cam's out. Those are your lifters and your valley with your oil. You see he has no sludge in there. The oil well gaskets just came apart, most of them. They broke into pieces. And we kind of think, or I kind of think that it had one screw loose. I thought that screw was stripped, but, oh, there's oil down in there. Yeah. That screw wasn't torqued down properly for who knows how long. It finally broke the seal with the anaerobic sealant, and it began to puke oil out. And a couple months ago, I tried to tighten it, and it just felt like it kept spinning, but I don't think I turned it around enough. It had maybe backed itself out a few turns, but it was about 2.5 turns away from being torqued down. So I over torqued it, and it took the over torque. So I don't think we're going to have to do time search. We're just going to clean this up, drop the new oil well gaskets in, put new cam seals on. I think, I'm not sure, we're contemplating going to get a set of NA cams and put this thing back together. Here we are, folks. Another salvage yard in sunny California. Y'all see how sunny it is? And it's got a little bit of snow in the mountains out there. We are out here looking for some NA cams and whatever else we could run into. Is the engine gone? That's an RN engine. We can't use that one. Is this a 99 or a 2000? It's a 99. I'm going to get this NA plate off of here real quick. Here we are, about to take out some NA cams. This car is 76,000 miles, it looks like. Sat around, not driven much, and here it is in the salvage yard. White 850. Look at them cracks on that timing belt. Man, this thing is ready to go. Get all the screws out. Gonna pop the cam cover off. That's it, folks. We got the NA cams. And this one has the old style lifters. It's a 96 car dated in 95, so you don't want those. It's got, look like a rebuilt ABS module on there. It's got a good throttle body cover on there. Looks like it has a good relay for the fuel injectors. Looks like the radiator is new. So that's a plus. Let's see if we can tell what brand the radiator is. It had a new hose down there, but they cut that. So this car's got a couple of decent things on there. This is not far. This is the closest salvage yard, I think, to Oxnard, California. Aftermarket cam seal in there. CFW. And the front cam seals are Volvo, probably original. brake reservoir bottle looks good. NA car. I took both NA block off plates off these two cars. Let's get out of here so we can get to work. See what this hood looks like. I think this hood was taken from another vehicle, but I could be wrong. It was parked under, oh, yep. It's been painted. So this car has been in some kind of accident. Looks like it's got new headlights, new horns. Maybe that cross member is new. Somebody put a bumper on there and a hood from somewhere else. But we're all done for here for now. We are back with the NA cams. I'm going to go ahead and set up the NA cams to go in this cylinder head. After I clean up the cylinder head top and the lower part of the cam cover and get this stuff installed so this car could be back on the road, because right now it is not. We have the cylinder head cleaned up, the NA cams in place, slot going with the part number down on the intake cam, part number up on the exhaust cam, and the cams are relatively in the right orientation, but we're not going to depend on that when we put this cam cover on. I do not have the drawdown tool, so we're going to draw it down with the screws. And we have the IPD adjustment tool, which is incredible. So we'll adjust these the way it's recommended. Getting ready to put anaerobic sealant on this. And we need those spark plug well seals. Put those in place. Clean and acetone dry. Clean, acetone dry, and now it has the anaerobic sealant on there. I got a little bit thicker than I usually do because we had oil leak situation coming through bolt holes and getting down in the spark plug wells, but we should be good to go. Ready to put this down and draw it down with the screws. Is what I'm going to do. So I got enough up here. I'm going to dab that right there a little bit better and get this thing together before it gets dark. Took a dinner break. Time to check my timing. Put the rest of this engine back together so Mitch could have his car back. And there's the timing marks. Set, checked, tensioners set like 50 degrees. Now I'm going to double check the torque on that and adjust this timing with the tool that IPD has. So let's get on that. And this tool is awesome from IPD. I'm advancing the exhaust cam 4 degrees and I retarded the intake cam 2 degrees. So let me go ahead and tighten that bolt right there and then pull those two bolts out, pull that tool out and secure it. Timing should be set perfect for these NA cams, baby. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.